Hi there. My name is Darcy Frankel. I'm an experienced cleansing and rejuvenation specialist here on Kauai. I help people to feel better and be healthier through different cleansing and rejuvenation retreats, my online courses, consultations, and visits to my day spa here. And I wanted to share with you today a little bit about how Designrr has helped me up level the look and feel of my content. So, as I was making one of my online courses, a trusted friend and colleague recommended a professional to help me make eBooks and PDFs that I would have as my lessons for the online course. Well, I worked with these professionals for a little while, sent them my content. A week later, they sent me back my content, their PDF. I made corrections, sent it back, and we went through this laborious process. It was very expensive, and I couldn't, at the end of the day, make the changes that I wanted to make. Well, with Designrr, all the costs are up front. It's done, it's handled, it's inexpensive, it's super efficient. They have done for you templates. You can edit them at any time you want to, and it looks really professional. The other thing I love about Designrr, because even though I'm a healer, I'm also a kind of techie at heart. I love their 3D cover generator. It makes these professional looking eBooks that look just like a book, the 3D book. They've also updated this feature to include a wider array of mock-ups, to include things like Kindles and iPads. It's a really great feature. I love these, and they made my bundle for the online course look so professional. I have absolute control. It's easy, it's quick, and Designrr has a lot of great videos as well for customer service. So there is a little bit of a learning curve, but if you follow their instructions, use their videos, contact their prompt, knowledgeable customer support, you will have great looking materials. I'm sure that you're going to love Designrr. I love Designrr. Thank you so much, Paul, for making such a great product. Take care. Aloha.